Dude. Hey. You alright?
It's my fault.
Are you that drunk?
I have a flat tire.
Are you that intoxicated? I saw you driving this way.
How
much you had to drink?
I have no idea where I'm going. I'm so sorry.
How much have you had to drink?
Not enough.
Not enough?
But I'm just
Is somebody looking for you?
No, nobody's trying to
Because the police were just here driving up and down the road, and I'm wondering if they're looking for you.
I've got a flat tire on my right side. I'm just trying to get out.
You're not going to get out of here. You have fucked your car up more than you know.
My GPS took me this way.
Your GPS. This is like an office episode.
Look, I'm trying. All right. This is my fault. I'm trying
Clearly.
to get out of here.
Okay, everyone's cool with this
Oh shit.
This is the best.
He's shaking his head. That's bad shit, that like what the fuck? There's a commas as well. It's gonna blow on me, you smell it? How's he done that? They're not scared, Bismillah.
Roll your window down. Hurry up. Together.
Florida be like, what the fuck? Holy shit! Oh my god! Yo! Holy shit!
What are you doing?
Record it, look at it.
And the Z100 Morning Show.
I'm going to direct this right at Straight Nate. Hi, my friend. How are you today?
Hello, Elvis Graham.
Do you consider yourself a modern man?
Oh.
Yes, I do. I don't know.
عايز بس حد يفهمني الراجل ده سايق ازاي يا جدعان. احنا فرضه يا استاذ شمس. بص كده حضرتك، والنبي ده شايف يمشي ازاي.
Пиздец, покатился.
Zато on maybe move on one floor.
At the end of the race.
Yeah, I mean, you're just trying to make the best moves you possibly can make with your car, and keep the biggest thing is just trying to keep your momentum up. So wherever you can go, keep up your momentum and try to keep some play in there in your car. That's what you're doing. I think for us, we very good restart there.
What?
On the front row, and of course, like I said,
what
we're bottoming
in the
after the last
world?
one, which is not